Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the wireless game controller designed for N and S. Not sure if they mean Nintendo Switch. It also contains, the package contains a Pro controller, 1 meter charging cable, and it has a 500 milliampere battery built in. It has turbo functions, wake up functions, and adjustable vibration. Maybe the information on the website was wrong. So it's 800 milliampere battery inside. So let's see what's inside. Comes in a nice box, and you get the USB-C to USB-A 1 meter charging cable, and you also get some instructions. They also tell you how to connect. So you just select controllers on the home menu, and then you just change the grip. We will have to see. So it can be used for the Switch Lite, so Nintendo Switch Lite, OLED, and PC, and it supports turbo wake up function. It has a 6-axis gyro, 3-level vibration, and you see it says 500 milliampere battery. So I'm a bit confused, but yeah, we'll see. So this is how you operate it. So we just have to see. This is first impression. You can see through in this area. You can see the vibrators and some battery, probably LED, to show you how much is. And there's also a reset button, a profile button, M2, M1. Then you have the triggers, left, right, ZL, ZR. This feels really good. There's no cracks. There's a home button in there, A, X, Y, B. Feels really nice in the hand. So let's see how we turn it on. Actually, I managed to turn it on probably by pressing the home button. So now it's in pairing mode. As you can see, there's no other lights so far. That's the USB-C for charging. So let's just take the Nintendo Switch and let's see how you connect to it. So I was looking at this. It says select controllers on the home menu. So that will be on this. Or that. Yeah. Sorry, that's the controllers. And then you select pair new controller, I guess. They don't really say in here. Select change grip order. Let's just do. Okay, it's not this. Search for controllers. Let's select this. I think that was too late and it probably went to sleep, so let's try again. Okay, sorry, press L right. I didn't do that, so let me just put that down. Try again, and I'll press left right. Sorry, this one. No, I didn't like it. It does actually say in here, my bad. It says select change grip order, so we'll do that. And press the B home button. and the LED will blink for faster B and home button. And you see that's flickering like that until the controller is controlled to the switch. Okay, so that's it. That worked. Okay guys, so I was wrong. I didn't read the instructions. But as you can see, you have to select change grip order, and then you press B and home at the same time for 7 seconds, and then you will see that it connects like it did in my situation. So let's go back, and yeah, as you can see, it's working. I can actually go into a game. As you can see, let me just turn off this. So there's no LED lights otherwise. So when you do this, the controller vibrates, and then you press A. So that's what we're gonna do to play. I really like it that it's without cables. That makes more sense. Is I had a really nice one with RGB lighting, but that requires a cable. It doesn't have Bluetooth, but I guess you can buy a little Bluetooth dongle, and that might work. Come on. I don't even know what I pressed on. Well, I guess I pressed continue. I just want to see how it works. Every time I do this, this vibrates. Yeah, so all the buttons are working pretty well, and yeah, I really recommend this game. It's quite good. Yeah, so the controller works perfectly. Let's see what these buttons do on the back. Nothing in this game. Cool. Let's just grab a gun. We can't, or I don't know how. Cool guys, thank you for watching. This is the review of the, how it's called again, the wireless game controller designed for N and S. Thank you.